Let's break down how a car engine works in 60 seconds. A car engine is basically an air pump with explosions. It works in 4 steps called the 4 stroke cycle. Step 1, Intake. The piston moves down, pulling in a mixture of air and fuel. Next, compression. The piston moves up, squeezing the mixture for a powerful bang. Then comes power. The spark plug ignites it and boom, a tiny explosion pushes the piston down. Finally, exhaust. The piston pushes out burned gases, clearing the way for the next cycle. This cycle repeats hundreds of times per second. Pistons move the crankshaft and crankshaft spins the wheels and your car drives forward. So in short, your car runs on controlled explosions thousands of times every minute. Cool, right? Follow UpSkul for more engineering knowledge simplified.